You know that feeling when you're out to lunch or dinner, you sit down at the table, look down, and there it is, chili oil. The nectar of the gods, the condiment that ends all condiments. You feel your lips tingling with anticipation of that burning sensation. Well, we can recreate that feeling every day at home. It's super simple, takes a little bit of time, but lasts forever. So let's make it. Now these ingredients may seem exotic and hard to find, but they're actually really common at your local grocery store. We're going to need 5 grams of coriander seeds, 1 stick of cinnamon, 3 stars of anise, 10 grams of Sichuan pepper seeds, 3 cloves of garlic, and 500 ml of neutral oil like canola or peanut. Place them into a medium frying pan and bring your oil to a gentle simmer, or 225 degrees Fahrenheit if you've got a thermometer. And now we just let the oil infuse for an hour or 2. While that is infusing, in a side bowl, mix 55 grams of Sichuan chili flakes and 5 grams of fine sea salt, half a tablespoon or 7 grams of black vinegar, and mix them all together. If you want to bring out more red in the chili, you can add 1 teaspoon of paprika as well. Once your oil's ready, bump it up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or medium high till it's simmering hard. Then, with a ladle spoon, mix into the chili mixture. You could pour it in all at once, but you risk burning the chili, leaving you with a bad taste. Once it's cooled down, you can transfer it into a mason jar and you can store it in your fridge for months. Now this oil goes with pretty much everything, but my favourite is over steaks, dumplings or eggs. If you want to learn how to cook this perfect egg or a steak like this, just click on the link in the description and I'll show you my quick how-to video. If you enjoyed this recipe, consider subscribing for more content like this. See you in the next one.